Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix message failed to send on your iPhone or Apple devices. So guys, if you are trying to send messages from your iPhone but you're facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and make sure that your mobile service is working properly. So guys, check your mobile service, and after this check your internet connection as well, that it is working properly. So guys, check your both services, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below, tap on general and tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version, and if there is any update available for you, simply update it. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now tap on about, and from here make sure that your career updates are also updated. So guys, if there is any career update for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. So guys, check this, and after this go back again and now scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device for one time. So as for that, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact your mobile service provider for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.